turkey was still walking, glad to be alive. The knives were being sharpened, and the chopping block was laid out in the yard. All the family gathered around, they heard the turkey sneeze. Fear and panic gripped them as they dropped down to their knees. But something changed forever there. The bird rose up into the air, and the bird flew. Oh yes, that bird flew. The bird flew. Achoo! That is what a bird should do. It sure was a significant sneeze. Would you believe it is not a deadly disease? I believe this infection has changed evolution's direction. But what to do with this piece of information? I must take it out and give it to the nation. But who do you tell that your turkey isn't feeling very well? And the bird flew. Oh yes, that bird flew. The bird flew. Achoo! That is what a bird should do. Come to make a stand, so I went to the government, straight up to number 10, and said this bird is heaven sent. If you have power, if you are able, take this turkey off the Christmas table. There was much consternation amongst the politicians. They did not believe in such silly superstitions. But when they looked up in the sky, they saw a flock of turkeys flying by, and the bird flew. Bird flew. Oh yes, that bird flew. Bird flew. The bird flew. Achoo! That is what a bird should do. One more time. Oh yes, that bird flew. That bird flew. Bird flew. The bird flew. Achoo! That is what a bird should. That is what a bird should. That is what a bird should do.